Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
Not Matt.
Today we're talking about Knob Creek and their small batch bourbon. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell me a little bit more about Knob Creek?
All right, so this is Knob Creek small batch bourbon. This is part of the usual small batch series, which also includes Knob Creek, Basil Hayden, Booker's, and Baker's. So
Matt,
this was
real quick, before we get too far into it, remind me again, what's the legal definition for small batch?
there isn't one.
Oh,
They
that's
just like
right.
to put a
It's
label.
not one. Okay. That means
For Jim
nothing.
Beam, it means anywhere up to 200 barrels, just to let everybody know. That's what it means in Jim Beam. But it doesn't mean squat. So anyway, so Jim Beam in 2016 took away the 9-year age saving on Knob Creek, but in 2020 they did replace it. But this is one of the bottles between that time period. I think this bottle's from like 2017, something like that. All right, so this is obviously it's Jim Beam. This is a 77 corn, 13 rye, 10 malted barley. If you want to see the history of Knob Creek, a little creek that Abe Lincoln played in back in the day, you can watch our 15-year video and see that. So. All right, let's see what we think of this regular Knob Creek, and then hopefully I actually don't have the 9-year, so say somebody wants to, because we're looking for to donate, the 9-year would be great. Don't have that one.
We'd really enjoy both the old 9-year and the new 9-year.
That would even be more interesting to compare.
That way
them,
we could do all three.
I agree. I like that plan even better. All
It
right.
smells nice. It's a pretty typical note for Jim, though. I mean, we got that peanut, that walnut.
Yep.
That waxiness that they typically have in there.
Yep.
This is very much a butterscotch and caramel dominated, a little bit of vanilla.
Yeah, butterscotch, vanilla. You got that oak, worn leather, little peaches, some raspberries, some strawberries, barrel char, butter popcorn, some toffee, some caramel. It smells really similar to that Old Taylor, just amped up in proof.
Yeah. We did just recently have an Old Taylor that had a lot of these same notes going on with it, didn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. There's not much else there. No, it smells good. It smells
There's
like
a little bit of a leatheriness to it. I'm getting like a leather in a barnyard.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, so way more oak char, barrel char on this for sure on the taste. The minty of the anise and the rye is definitely coming out some more. Vanilla, more of a new leather than that old worn leather on the taste. Cowhide. This is much more earthy and dirty, just like that dry dirt, like kind of like at West Texas, that dust storm kind of thing to me. A little burnt brown sugar cream brulee. Tastes good.
And then it ends with a peanut butter.
It really does.
Nuttiness.
Really, really creamy peanut butter.
Up until that very, very finish, I was really, really enjoying this. And then at the very, very end, it just kind of turned south for me.
It really is. Man, take a second sip. That peanut butter really explodes now.
Does it?
Oh, yeah. Whoa, that's super nutty. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I like Knob Creek in general, especially some of their specialty ones are really good. I mean, this thing's $25. I mean, you can't really complain about a $25 burp. And you can find on the shelf every day. And it's 100 proof. You can't complain. It's good whiskey. I mean, it just is. Now, if it's not your flavor profile, I understand that. If it's too nutty for you, find a different one. But I mean, for the money, for the proof, I mean, you really can't go. Especially some of the store picks of this are freaking amazing. And they're like $40, $45.
And they could be ridiculously old.
Yeah, it could be 14, 15 years. Now, of course, we had Adam on the other day, and he unfortunately said, yeah, all that's gone.
We're not doing those so much anymore.
But, it is what it is. So, but hey, we like Knob Creek, doing a good job. Just, it's not my favorite thing Jim Beam does. I mean, I think we'll probably prefer Booker's, although that's for the money, not doing script. But hey, like I said, for $25, there's a buy all day long.
Yeah, I don't disagree with that. And I actually, when I worked for the restaurant, we sold a lot of this over a big cube.
Oh yeah, over ice or hell, even with a Coke or Diet Coke or cola product of your choice, Pepsi, whatever. Yeah, it's all good. So,
but it has the heft to stand up to that cube.
Definitely, it really 100 proof. Even in a cocktail, this is really good just because it's 100 proof, and that nuttiness is going to stick out anyway in a cocktail. So no, it's good stuff. I mean, it's Knob Creek. You can't go wrong. Well,
I like
Good
it.
stuff. I like it. It's good.
What you said? Price point 25? Yeah, I'm
25
buying.
bucks. Yeah, it's $25.
Done and done. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And until next time, keep on crusading for the whiskey in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, that's that. We got 2 Accords, and either one of those are going to take very long.